What is up, you guys? Do you see how cool this aquarium looks? I mean, this is a 260-gallon aquarium. I ended up picking up some cool fish, and this guy had a bunch of different fish. This guy had, as you can tell, a 40-gallon breeding setup, stingrays, cichlids. He was breeding fish as well. I want to take you guys on the journey of me picking up 5 stingrays, discus, eels, etc. So, yeah, stay tuned and watch this as I make horrible financial decisions. Peace. What up, guys? We're looking at my stingray tank. There's no extra fish in here. So, just kidding. Using clickbait. No. I ended up doing something. I ended up buying a bunch more fish. Spent too much money again, like I always do. But, look at these guys. These guys are gorgeous. Like that Noid flower horn. This flower horn has to come out. But, like giant gourami, my stingray, my albino. There you go, beautiful fish. But I ended up buying something. I ended up buying 5 more stingrays. Look at that. 5, huh? We've got 3 MOTOROS, and we've got 2 more black diamonds. The black diamonds obviously smaller than these guys, but they should be fine. I will be closely watching them just in case. But we're going to be adding the 2 black diamond stingrays into here, and I'm also going to be taking 3 of these into another aquarium. They're going to be going into 75 for right now until I can set up my 125. It's not ready yet for stingrays especially, so we're going to hold off on there for a little bit. But yeah, everybody else is doing fine. And I bought more fish too, but we are acclimating them slowly and slowly. I've been adding water. Just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. But I bought these guys on Facebook Marketplace. Well, no, okay, not Marketplace. I found them in the Facebook group. So we removed the flower horn to help also with the bio load. But mainly because I realized he would probably start to pick at most of the other fish. So everybody else should be fine though. Anyway, let's get started with moving over. By the way, I'm gonna move over all of them into here. I'm still cleaning out the 55. I ended up noticing there was a lot of snails, and I wanted to address that problem before I put in my stingrays. So we're gonna finish cleaning that up and then put them in there probably in 2-3 days. So it's gonna get daily water changes until then. So I can't find exactly the tripod to hold up my... I'm coming, big guy, to come pick up, to hold my phone. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get this guy to come up. Swim into the net, big guy. Come on. Stop being hard to place. All these guys are gonna be difficult. Things also a little more difficult. In fact, I'm only doing this one-handed. Almost. One of you guys will go in, I swear. This net might be actually too big to actually work around with. But, did want to say, I have, what do you call, reverse trio on this, 2 males, 1 female. On the MOTOROS, and I have 1 pair of the black diamonds. So we got one. Apologize that the video quality isn't the best, but we're gonna place in our first one. How you doing? Come on, you can come out. Oh wow, a lot of gunk in there. See if I can scoop it all up again. It's okay, some will clean it up. Look at the size difference. Should be fine though. They're not pups, so. But yeah, time to get the next one. So time to do the second one. See if we can grab one. I think I have to put the phone down actually. I'm gonna try. See if we can pick up the other black diamond. Okay, maybe a MOTORO would be easier. Whoever wants to fly into the net will be the next to be released out of this trap. There we go. We got a MOTORO. Look how beautiful the patterns are. We're coming. There we go. See if we can see if it's a male or female. I think this is a female, by the way. Look at the, oh, sorry. Yeah. A lot of gunk on the floor. I turned off the wave maker, so I'll pick up most of this when we finish here. Got the second MOTORO, the bigger one. I think that one has the most spots, but these are the most pronounced. Bigger one, heavier too. Oh, I think it was heavier because I had a lot of water in its fins. Here we go, releasing. Number 2. Looking fine so far. One with the hide. Never seen the actual stingray go all the way over there, but we'll see. Only got 2 left now. Come on. Come on out. Okay, don't want to come out. Any one of you would like to come enjoy your new aquarium and not hide? Come on. I think I have to put the camera down. Got the second black diamond. Drained out all the water. Learned that time. Here we go. Oh no. I'm trying not to make him go upside down, to be honest. There we go. Okay. I've got too many stingrays in here. This is crazy. The MOTOROS. Got the last stingray. Got a lot of gunk in there too. It's fine. Beautiful patterns. There we go. The last Motoro. Yeah, they glide down. So cool. So just turn on the wave maker. I'm gonna turn it back off again. I don't want to stress them out. The other stingray is still hiding back there, but just turn off this wave maker. No, didn't. Missed. No, it's off. Just wanted to pick up a lot of that junk, but I picked it up after. Again, this is only temporary. I'm in the middle of cleaning out the other aquarium, so also want to show you guys the other fish I got. So for this aquarium, we also have a fire eel. I think we got him for like 30 bucks. We also got some, what do you call this? I forgot the name at the moment. I will put it down below. Really cool fish though. Geophagus, there you go. 3 of them. And we also got a flagfish. I think that's the name of it. Another cool looking fish. You guys see them in the aquarium. I gotta finish acclimating them. Here we have 4 discus as well. 2 yellow and 2 blue. They're gonna go into this community aquarium. Right now I have these 2 angelfish in there. Hopefully they can breed again and get into spawning action again before I actually go through that. So we're gonna start to actually bring in these bad boys into there. So we're gonna start with either, well, whoever goes in my net is gonna come in first. Then we're doing the flagfish first. This net has a hole. Going back to what I was saying, we're gonna go back into the net. One of them, my dad liked them, so pick. Here we go. Let's see, who can I grab? I grabbed in 2 of the geophagus. Let's see if I can get a better view for you. There you go. These guys are small though. So. Oh my god. Do you see that? But he doesn't eat that one. Maybe she's scared. I don't know. That's the female though. Now normally I don't feed right when I get new fish, but since I did see that happen right now, I'm gonna feed some bloodworms. I'm gonna let it defrost though. I think she was just hungry. I did break one of the golden rules, like no feeding, but the ones I had in here were apparently still hungry. I fed heavy yesterday. I mean, I did feed heavy, technically pellets, but because that was the day it was on. But yeah, I did feed heavy. I mean, look at the color difference between the black diamonds and the, what do you call them? The Motoros. Where's the other one? There's 2. There's 3. Hiding over there. We're gonna get the eel out now. Oh, this is the broken net. Yeah, we're gonna grab the eel and then we do the discus. Oh wait, I have one more geophagus. Beautiful guy. Oh, already escaped. Careful out there, Belly. There are some monsters in here. I think he's looking for it, and he found it. Look at that. Geophagus found each other. So now it's time for the discus. And final fish. Final fishes. I'm gonna start with the first orange one because it's just easier like that. Come on out. One orange one. Go to the next one. Actually, now we're doing blue bolt. Blue cobalt or blue bolt. Don't flop out, don't flop out. There we go. Should have used a bigger net. Next is the orange ones. Okay, went straight into the net really easily. Then we have this one. And there we go. Come on out. Oh no, I gotta put the phone now. Oh, he got out. He's the one. He had a little bit of an injury before I got him, but yeah. I'm not turning the lights on because I don't want to shock them anymore. Geophagus is already eating. Are you excited? I have so much money in this aquarium right now. It's ridiculous. It's unhealthy though. We'll be removing most of these. The 3 MOTOROS are leaving. The discus are leaving. Everything else is staying though. The 3 black diamonds I had before, the albino and the 2 regular. The fire eel and the geophagus and the gourami are staying. But everybody else is leaving. Oh, that noise is staying as well. So everybody started to settle down. I know this tank is over full. I will be moving them. Don't worry. You'll probably see that in the next video. But yeah, this guy's doing great. There is I don't know the name of that one. The albino gourami I've had. 1 Motoro, second and the third, and then the new black diamond stingray and a new black diamond stingray, and the 3 from before. And here's the datnoid and the 3 geophagus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.